In this quick zombies guide, we'll be doing direct line tier 1. We'll need to pick a contract in the Tac Map, complete a contract, and exfil. We'll go through all of these. It's super simple. Simply make sure that when you start, you have the mission equipped, confirm it, and let's go. There we go. Hopping into game, all we need to do is hit tab to bring up our Tac Map and ping a contract in order to start one. We can do at last, deliver cargo, defend ground station. We'll do at last. If a contract's already been pinged, middle click a different one to complete the ping a contract on the Tac Map. Then once it's pinged, run towards it and we'll pick it up to start it. Sprinting straight across here and picking it up, the mission will begin. All we need to do now is complete it. In this mission, we need to head to a different location and look for survivors there. So we'll head into the resort and we simply need to activate this and then survive for a little bit. There we go, collecting the reward. We can now simply open our Tac Map and ping an extraction point. The closest one to me seems to be all the way down here. So I'll ping it and we just need to make our way there. So there's nothing to do now, but simply head for that extraction point. Alright, so getting our way all the way to the extraction point. We'll interact with it, calling the extraction. Now we just need to survive until they get here. We'll get into the extraction chopper and wait for our teammates. Now the timer runs out, we'll take off, and as soon as we extract, this mission should be done. Super simple, gets you the ropes of what exactly you need to be doing. Sweet. That's been Direct Line Tier 1. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.